Okay, so the lighting sucks. I'm sorry I look like shit. Let's just ignore all of that. We have good news. We finally got the house. Everything went through. The appraisal went through everything. So we are heading over there. We're dropping kayaks off and picking up the paint and the new door locks, and we're taking our dog over to see the house for the first time. Wanna go see the new house? Riley, wanna see the new house? I think he's excited. Packing is still in progress here. Downstairs is even worse, but let's go ahead and head to the new house. Our house goes live on Thursday. Today is Tuesday, the 27th, so our house goes live Thursday. Tried to get a little landscaping action going. There's a lot of work that still needs to be done to this house before we have showings. We're doing it coming soon, so we'll still have about 10 days even after the house goes live Thursday, which is nice. We haven't felt rushed to get out or anything like that, but yeah, still a lot of work to be done. You excited, Riley? See if it's open. I'm walking the driveway just to kind of show you a little bit. It's a long paved driveway. And we got a pond. I'll take you down so I can let him pass. We are so excited to have a pond. Super pumped. It's just so pretty out here. Love it. There is a lot of work to be done at this house. We've mostly bought it for what it can be and what it's going to be in the future, not necessarily what it is right now. The potential here is just endless. We got 5 acres, pretty private. I think over there we want to make it a little more private, as well as over here you can see the neighbor over there, but plant some trees over there. But this is one of the main reasons we got this house. We just absolutely love this pond. Now we're figuring out where to put our kayaks. We had to clear out our garage. We have so many boxes since we move out here in 3 days. We just wanted to get things situated. But yeah, I can't even believe this is happening. If you remember, if you've been watching me, I started this journey, or we started this journey. Oh my God, I heard chickens and hens. I think our neighbor has chickens and hens. But we started this journey 7 months ago, so it's been a long time coming. Where are we at, bud? This is your new house. I'm gonna take a walk back here, show you a little more of the property. We're thinking about getting some goats down the road, and the neighbor has a mini horse, so I wonder if the little guy's out, but I'm like, oh my gosh, the neighbor has a mini horse. And all of this is fenced in, so it's super nice, and it would be great for animals. Oh, there's a, oh, let me get Chris. The mini horse is out. The mini horse is out. Let's go see the mini horse. That's back at the house. Still walking up here. Oh, there's the horse. And there's a pole barn right there. There's the mini horse. Yeah, we're gonna have to do some clearing out here. Hi. Hi, buddies. Oh my God, he's so cute. So cute. Probably have to zoom in so you guys can see him, but oh my God, you're so cute. Hi, buds. Actually, the property goes back, way back, but I think there's about 2 acres or so that is not cut down. So we definitely will take some time and cut a lot of this out so we can clear it out and have access to all this acreage back here. But for right now, a good 3 acres to cut isn't bad. Are you excited?
Very excited.
What are you most excited for?
Not all the work.
Not all or no.
Fishing in the pond.
Oh yeah, I have a story for you guys. Maybe I'll save that for a later date, but the previous owner doesn't want anybody fishing in the pond.
There's your spotlight just came on.
Oh, nice. The fish are pets, and you don't fish in the pond. We didn't buy a 5-acre plot with a pond not to fish in it. Sorry to tell you, bud. One of our favorite things is there's where the house is, and then here's the driveway, and you can't even see the road, which is awesome. So it's super private. That was the main thing we were looking for when buying a house, and I think we did a pretty damn good job. Because if you remember, I had said I want a house where, ooh, I want a house where I could walk out in my backyard naked. What is going on? What is the matter? But if I wanted to walk in the backyard naked, I could do that. I can do that here, which I'm very excited to do. I said this in another video. I want to be in a house. I want to live somewhere where if I want to walk out in my backyard naked, I can feel comfortable enough to walk out in my backyard naked and nobody see me. That's what I want. So let me see if I can see any fish that are apparently supposed to be pets. Can't fish them. They're just supposed to be pets. We definitely have some cleaning up to do with the pond too, but overall, the guy did a pretty good job with taking care of the pond. I don't know if you can see it from here, but over there, there is a little dock. I think we're gonna wanna take that dock out, maybe put it somewhere up here, closer to the house. And when we try to step on that dock, I don't think we trusted it too much. So I think we definitely want to take that out and put a new dock somewhere around the pond. So we lived in our current house for 13 years. And in my last video, I told you that we were waiting on the appraisal.
We were waiting on a lot of things.
Yeah.
But yeah, that being the most important, I think.
Yeah, so we're excited. It's a whole new journey, whole new life out here. It's crazy. It's about 45 minutes away from our current house. More out in the country. You probably saw a lot of the horses and just the beautiful properties out here. But about 15 minutes away, there's, it's called like the Loveland Bike Trail.
Well, it's just a lot of nice towns with lots of things to do within 15 minutes. So I mean, it's country, but it's very easy living, like close to town and close to work, stuff like that. So
we're excited and hope you guys can follow this journey with us. It's been a long time coming, but we're super excited. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.